When I say lobster, does $1.5 billion each year come to mind? Probably not, but I think it's time we deep dive to the bottom of the ocean to see what the hype is all about. In the world of seafood, lobsters are more than just a delicacy. They are a thriving industry worth an astounding $1.5 billion each year. While the word lobster may conjure images of luxurious dinners and gourmet experiences, there's much more to this underwater world waiting to be explored. As we take a deep dive to the ocean's depths, we'll uncover the intricate web of factors, from the meticulous process of harvesting and the challenges faced by lobstermen, to the strict regulations in place to ensure sustainability. It's time to unravel the enigma behind the lobster industry and discover why these clawed creatures are not just a culinary delight, but a symbol of economic vitality beneath the waves. So, let's set sail on this underwater adventure and explore what makes lobsters such a remarkable and valuable marine resource. Lobsters, with their exquisite taste and culinary prestige, have captured the hearts and palates of seafood enthusiasts around the world. Their journey from the depths of the ocean to your dinner plate is a fascinating tale of tradition, adventure, and culinary craftsmanship. But first, let's begin with a captivating question. How do these magnificent creatures go from the vast ocean depths to being a high-priced delicacy around the world? Those magnificent marine crawlers thrive along the coastlines of North America, particularly in the frigid waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The lobster harvesting process is an intricate dance that combines the wisdom of tradition, the assistance of technology, and the thrill of adventure. Lobstermen, dedicated professionals in this trade, set sail to the sea with baited traps. These traps, cleverly designed and strategically positioned on the ocean floor, are alluring to lobsters thanks to their enticing bait, which often includes fish heads or other seafood. Once the traps are set, a waiting period commences, typically spanning several days as per local regulations. Lobstermen then return to the scene, their hearts filled with anticipation, hoping for a fruitful catch. Retrieving the traps is no small feat, requiring a blend of skill and strength. Lobstermen employ specialized tools and ropes to deftly pull the traps up from the ocean's depths. As they surface, the traps unveil the day's catch, ranging from small lobsters to large, imposing individuals. This catch, however, is not without restraint. Lobsters must meet specific size and weight criteria to be considered legal. Those that fall short are meticulously measured and returned to the depths, providing them with the opportunity to continue their growth. As part of the commitment to conservation, lobsters are tagged before being released back into the wild. These tags serve as a valuable tool for scientists and researchers, helping them track lobster movements and gather essential data for the cause of sustainable harvesting. Lobstering as a profession is not for the faint of heart. Lobstermen face an array of challenges, from the unpredictable weather and treacherous waters to fierce competition and ever-evolving regulations. Venturing into the unpredictable and sometimes perilous waters of the Atlantic requires courage, resilience, and a profound respect for the elements. Lobstermen often confront storms, high waves, and unpredictable weather patterns during their missions. Lobstering is an inherently competitive pursuit. The most fruitful lobstering grounds are closely guarded secrets, and intense competition can sometimes lead to disputes over territory and even the use of illegal practices. A commitment to conservation is at the heart of lobstering. Lobstermen must adhere to stringent regulations that protect lobster populations. These regulations frequently limit the number of traps that can be set, dictate the size of lobsters that can be retained, and establish specific harvesting seasons. Increasingly, lobstermen are embracing the importance of ocean conservation. They strive to minimize their impact on the marine environment by employing sustainable fishing practices and working in collaboration with scientists and government agencies to ensure the future of lobsters and their habitats. Following the successful harvest, lobsters commence another chapter in their journey, the process of being transformed into delectable delights ready for consumption. The art of lobster processing is a precise and crucial step in delivering a high-quality product. Once harvested, lobsters are meticulously packed and transported to processing facilities, which are typically located near the coast to minimize travel time. In these processing facilities, the lobsters are temporarily held in tanks filled with cold, clean seawater. The cold temperature ensures that the lobsters remain dormant, preserving their meat's quality and flavor. The lobsters then undergo a skillful and humane dispatch process, ensuring that their meat remains fresh and flavorful. Processing can take various forms, including boiling, steaming, or freezing. Regardless of the method, once processed, the lobster meat is carefully extracted from the shell and meticulously packaged. The final products may include whole lobsters or lobster meat, both of which are distributed to markets, restaurants, and retailers around the world, making this seafood accessible to people far from the ocean's shores. So, how do lobsters go from being elusive sea dwellers to a high-priced delicacy? This remarkable journey involves dedicated lobster men who can only harvest seasonally, the art of trapping and preserving the lobsters while they are at sea, the challenges of the ocean being wintertime, and the precision of processing. The lobster process demands attention to detail and a commitment to quality at every step to ensure that consumers savor the highest standard of lobster cuisine, and that comes at an even higher price. Lobster men risk their lives to capture these delectable crustaceans, navigating unpredictable waters and adhering to strict regulations to protect their future. The art of processing lobsters is equally vital, preserving the quality and flavor that make lobsters such a coveted delicacy. The next time you sit down to a succulent lobster dish, you'll be well informed about the intricate journey that brings it from the sea to your plate. Lobsters may be elusive sea dwellers, but their transformation from the ocean's depths to your dinner plate is an engaging narrative that taught your mind the boundaries of their underwater world. If you enjoyed this video, you cannot miss this next one. The process of how it's made is actually insane.